7, 8. It's okay? We're going to try on this wall. Yeah? You have to go, please, on the first line to come to me. All right. You want to come to me? We try on this wall, okay? 7, 8. Vine on the right. Stomp. Rock forward. Scuff. Touch. One more time on the count. On this wall. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that okay? But one more time, we go back on this wall with the counts and we do the third section. 2 first section. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that okay? Third section. Now we make a kick with the left. Kick. And then we're going to make a vaudeville. You know everybody do vaudeville? Okay? So vaudeville, you cross, back, heel, together. Okay? So, here. So we started, kick with the left, cross, back, heel, together. On the count, so it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then cross, back, and a hook. Okay? One more time, first section. Kick, vaudeville, then you cross, back, and hook. On the count. So you have the weight of the body on the right foot, okay? Make a kick with the left. Kick, cross, back, heel, together, cross, back, hook. Is that okay? One more time with the count. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everybody is okay? So we put 1, 2, and third section together. 7, 8. Vine. Stomp up. Side, stomp up. Rock back. Rock forward. Scuff. Touch, flick, step. Kick, vaudeville. Cross, back, hook. Is that okay for everybody? Good. Yeah? One more time. Slowly, okay? One more time. Vine on the right. Stomp up. Side, stomp up. Rock back. Rock forward, half turn, scuff. Touch, flick, step. Kick, vaudeville. Cross, back, hook. Is that okay? One more time with the count. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On this wall. On the other side. Ready? 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. For what I see, it's perfect. You ready for the last section? So we go for the last section. We're going to start the third section and we're going to stop, okay? We repeat the dance. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, the dance is pretty easy. This last section is a little bit, this is the most difficult one, I'm sure. Okay, first step, we're going to make a step with a quarter turn on the left. 1. Then we're going to make a stomp with the step the left one, but the toe inside, okay? Like this, inside, okay? And then we're going to make a swivel with the left, but making a quarter turn on the right. Swivel, okay? So, repeat the third step. 1, 2, 3, okay? Then, making a stomp with the right, like the first one. Stomp with the toe inside. Swivel. Hook with the left. Step side on the left. And stomp up. Look at me. I'm going to show you. So here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? On the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at me. You can turn around. I'm going to show you. Okay? Here. Step, stomp, swivel, stomp, swivel, hook, step side, stomp up. Is that okay? Now we do it very slowly on this walk. Okay? Here. Step side, stomp, swivel with a quarter turn, stomp, swivel, hook with the left, step side with the left, and stomp up with the right. Is it okay for everybody? No? Who? Okay. We are here. Step side, stomp. And then we make a swivel with a quarter turn. Okay? Here. Step, stomp, swivel. And when you make a swivel, up you turn. Okay? Here. So, here. Step, stomp, swivel, hook, step side, stomp up. One more time. Here. Step, stomp, swivel, hook, step, stomp up. Are you okay? No? Yeah? Who is okay? Oh my God. We do it again, okay? Here. Step side, stomp. If you want to be easy, look at me. When you're here, make a stomp. Here. You make a swivel, do it with the heel. So it's better to turn. Stomp, swivel on the center, hook with the left, step side, stomp up, and then we start it again. Okay? Alright. We try to do it from the beginning, okay?